Kia ora whānau. This Te Reo task this week is counting objects. So your bold is say how many of an object there is in Te Reo, right? So for your Te Reo task, tell me how many pens, pencils, books and shoes you have at school. Use the video on the rest of the side to help you figure out what to say. Remember the date and the margin and the WALT in your curriculum investigation book. Right, so let's start off with the easy part, which is the numbers, which most of us know, right? And 0 is kore, tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima, ono, whitu, waru, iwa, tekau. That's simple. So now when we're counting objects, the numbers change slightly. And if you're saying there's one of something, you'll see there's a ko first. So ko tahi te āporo. So as in there is one apple, right? And then any number from 2 to 9, it starts with e. E, rua, nā, āporo. There are 2 apples. The nā makes it plural. Is the beginning for there, and 2 apples. Nā. So then once you get to 10, you just say tekau, right? So your task is to write and tell me how many pens, pencils, shoes and books you have at school. Now you're going to have to count them. Now pen is pene, pencil is penerako, shoe is hu, so if there's more than one, it would be nahu. Book is puka puka. You're going to write these sentences just like you saw on the previous slide in the counting apples, but instead of āporo, which means apple, you're going to write pene for your pens, penerako for your pencils, hu for your shoes, and puka puka for all the books you have. So you need to do that in your curriculum investigation book. Do not forget the title, Counting Objects in Te Reo and your WALT. Ka pai.